Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to unlock Steel Path in Warframe. Steel Path is a harder version of the star chart that increases enemy level and rewards. Designed for players who have completed the base game content. To unlock Steel Path, you must complete every node on the star chart. This includes all regular missions, dark sector missions, and mission nodes locked behind quests. You must also complete key locations such as the Jordas Golem, the Kuva fortress, and all nodes on Lua. If you have not unlocked these areas yet, this is normal as they require story progression. Since I'm new to the game, I'll guide you through how to unlock it. In addition to clearing nodes, you must complete all required main quests tied to star chart access. This includes quests such as Angels of the Zeri Man, Whispers in the Walls, and the Hex, as these quests unlock missions that count toward full star chart completion. If even one required node is incomplete, Steel Path will not unlock. Once every node on the star chart is completed, head to any relay such as a starter relay. Inside the relay, speak with Teshin, who will present the option to activate Steel Path. Confirm the activation and the Steel Path toggle will permanently appear. After activation, you can switch between the normal star chart and Steel Path at any time. Even when new nodes are added in future updates, Steel Path access will remain unlocked, and that sets it. You've learned how to unlock Steel Path in Warframe by completing the full star chart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.